Somebody mention birds? Hi there buddies, and welcome back to the channel once again. And what do we have today? Well, today's just a very short, quick little video. Didn't get too much footage of this one, and stick with it for a little bit of bonus footage at the end. Well, back to this one. So this is the orange-breasted Trogon. The orange-breasted Trogon is a resident bird here, usually heard more often than seen. Now the trick with this bird is when you hear it, look close by. It seems to have a knack of throwing its voice. It has a very soft call and always sounds further away than it actually is. You'll find yourself looking far away up in the trees or in the shrubs for this bird, and then you suddenly look and it's sitting there a metre or so away from you. Very strange bird, but anyway, nonetheless still beautiful. Anyway, as I say, I didn't get much footage of this one and it's not that great. Fortunately, the bird is great. So remember, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. So I found this bird at one of my usual places at a national park in the west of Thailand, and as well as not getting much footage, the light, as you can see, is also pretty crap. So I'll probably be going back soon to get some better pictures of this one. Anyway, where I found this bird was very, very close to where the white-fronted scops owl usually has a day roost, so I thought I'd just take the advantage of that and just get a couple of minutes of video of the white-fronted scops owl. Right, well, anyway, as usual, that's it for now. It's a very short video. Don't have much time these days to get out. So remember, if you like, don't forget to do the usual. As I say, if you want to buy me a coffee, that would be greatly appreciated. Anyway, that's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.